In this video, I'll show you how to change your League of Legends language to Korean. Now, Riot Games made it super simple to change your game language now. Before, you had to go into the server folder, the League of Legends folder, and change a lot of things. But now what you can simply do is just open up League of Legends, wait for this to load, and from in here, go to your settings up here, press settings, choose League of Legends, and from in here, you want to choose the Korean language. Now this is the Korean one. Just choose this and then close down. Now what this will do is it will ask for an update for your game. So when you log in like this, what you have to do is you have to take the update real quick. I already took the update, so I'm gonna open up my League of Legends. Now let it load for a little bit after you have updated it, and as you can see, it is now in Korean. So I'm just gonna let it load up a little bit more, and you can see everything on my screen is now in Korean. Wait for the game to update a little bit since you just changed the language, but now your League of Legends is in Korean. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.